welcome back YouTube supporters. I appreciate the support. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more cars and tech content. Today, I'm going to be doing like a fully straight pipe on my car. And how I'm going to do it is, they are going to cut my pipe from the flex pipe and then pretty much weld a little piece of pipe that goes down. We'll show you that in a bit. It's a bit too loud. Anyways, the only reason I'm doing it is to see how it would sound like. I might get rid of my whole exhaust system and focus on all the performance, and practically from there I could probably be shooting flames later on, so I really can't wait. But this is just a temporary experiment because I am gonna try to see if I could drill a hole through my fender and drag the pipe through my fender. But this is just an experiment to see how a fully straight pipe car A4 sounds. I decided not to pay the exhaust shop to remove my exhaust system because I could do it myself, which I did, as you guys can see. And now I'm gonna do a couple runs on the highway to see how it sounds like. Obviously it's gonna sound so much better and so much more nicer and aggressive and less raspy because it's only a 3-foot exhaust system. And basically, here's my stock KO3 turbo, here's my catless downpipe, and then right below is going to be the flex pipe and then the small exhaust system exit I have. So right here, I'm gonna zoom in on it. That is my flex pipe, and then here's my 2.5-inch pipe, and then there's the exit. Obviously this is temporary because I am gonna be drilling the hole, like I said, in the fender right here. I actually removed my fender a couple weeks ago, did some measurements. Now I need to buy the right tools and to install it properly, and because I know it will be rattling and shaking around, I did take the precaution and buy some exhaust wrap, which I bought off Amazon for about $20. It's 15 foot long. People say it's good. I can't wait to use that. And now for the back, the plan is get a career carbon fiber, legitimate expensive carbon fiber quad tip diffuser, install it on the back, and then get some dummy tips. Get this welded to the frame or something so it just looks more aggressive to match the look of my car. And now that we have the aggressive back, we also will get the aggressive front pretty soon. As you saw in my previous video, I have the one-of-a-kind carbon fiber front splitter by Nia Auto Design. I can't wait to install that. I did buy the new grill. I bought the new parts first, so I can't wait to slap it all at once. It's gonna look so much nice. Welcome to my project car, my daily project car. Now let's go on the highway and do some runs, see how it sounds like. It's good. It's definitely gonna sound much more amazing than when it was a year ago, when it was just one full straight pipe. All right, let's do a cold start. It's loud, but I don't know if this was louder or if it was louder when it was one full straight pipe. I don't know which one's louder. You guys be the choice. Oh shit. Well, now I know I gotta take it easy on the highway. My tires are bald. Look at the weather. It looks like it's about to rain. I'm gonna just take it easy today. Damn. Cold start is gone. Let's let the car warm up a bit.